Hi there, this is Maths with Angela doing negative numbers. So here you can see we have a number line at the top here, and we can use this to help us move up and down until we feel confident with doing it without a number line or drawing our own number line. So I'm going to do the top three questions here. So question 21, it's question 1, it says -6 plus 5. So the way I always do it is I will start at the first number here, which is -6. And if it says add, it means I'm going to move up the number line. So it says add 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count the jumps, yeah? So I don't count where I start, I count the next one along. So we're going to go add 1, add 2, add 3, add 4, add 5. And this takes me to -1, yeah? Okay? So let's have a go at question 21 here at the top. So we've got -8 plus 2. So here we are at -8, and yes, we're going to move up 2 places. Add 1, add 2. So we end up at minus, my B's turned up there, we end up at minus, where was it? Is it 6? Yeah. So -8 plus 2 ends up at -6. Okay, and then this one here, question 41, we start at -4, which is here. Now this time it says take away, so we're going to go down 3. So 1, 2, 3. So we end up at -7. Okay, well I hope that starts you off and you can continue with the worksheet. Thanks, bye.